Abusuya yen na ebe kaya any 3 days and a prophet Roja ekoko PM ewo Captain Smart show so no ko PM ho no no de asem bi tudwa e de fa eye chairman and Tubosi akon do na nim se fe no chairman Wontumi Asante regional chairman e de ma the new patriotic party o de nsem bi fa ne ho say ada o de nsem bi tudwa fa ne ho say wo hu wi asese chairman Wontumi e de yankof egu ne nsa na ye de na kwako gina eye asem dibia na judge na ote eye egwamu no ama no 15 years imprisonment or say imbeka ho ebi nso entim free so na saa video me so wo hu e wo media no so the time Sammy first video no to an say enyom wase and copyright issues, but that's what exactly I can say. Chairman Wontumi will be jailed for 15 good years and only idea on no prophet Roja ehu e wo hu wi ase. Now this has me to join a man for be can say ye twemu e wo Yakopon din mu ye twemu e wo Yesu din mu ye twemu se sa asem ya okan no enya de betimi aiden abaso. So there's a lot of video from people mobile bonting e ka kire prophet Roja say they be on hu asem na ebemu a we de we hu na se betimi kra bemu na onye hu bibi ebusu anche and another prophet ababonting na o say Yakopon so yi akire ono say chairman Wontumi won so shatade fufuo na enijia ba na obusi Yakopon say den na ekos Yakopon ka kire ni say chairman Wontumi ko court a obedi nkunim na enya de ndisefo ebetimi ageli chairman Wontumi na sasa wode beto na manfo say Yakopon ba ko na say obekojewu ba ko Yakopon ba ko na so say obedi nkunim e wo court case ne so ho na bi busa say ana ebia MPP fo ni bia bompa me Yakopon aden etie ana ebia o ma chairman Wontumi edi nkunim ana ebusuya haya Ghana nsem TV be ka kire wo say nsem bu ye besi wo Ghana bia no enya to fom say ki na efa Ghana ho ko ade a ye de bebre wo ha sei eno ti mesere se wo ba wo be like wo be share na wa kire wadwen so comment section ni mu e de mame yengongo tie video a ye prophet a ne din e de prophet eye Michael e de beto dwa say chairman Wontumi Yakopon say okokoto a obedi nkunim e wa ndc fo eso say na odi nsem no eto dwa yentimbra
sunsumudie mi hu ye eniye bi hu se eye bra eye buasiako ana hotodin edi chairman Wontumi atade fufu ehye no eye gown white na bibisa twedi ampon nyame a wodan na de kyerem se ade a mehu asekere de sei na twedi ampon ne me ekasa se me kan kire bla buasiako ana hotodin di Wontumi se tuntun atade bia ye de share no wosunsum mu no nyame waworo ambisa osoro se we ase en sei ena ose enimguase a obonefo ehihye se ento no nyame watwam minim enimguase kro bet ade tuntum gire homa de ya enye na osoro ne me honhom kasa se jobonefo ehihye ye no osoro watwam obefa niema bi mu nenso obedi nkonim bisan se benwo se atade tuntum no aworo atade fita abehye no ha Atwea Mountains bidin edi General King Melchizedek nyame de ade bi dwumadie bi asi mani so a meye na medi huduma se mede obi esi mani so se me bone so mpaya. The book of Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3 no ose na meka won sama kese ene niema hinta a wu hu ye enti eye buasiako nkunimdie eda wadim nkuguo wabo atara osoro akasa na ebebem.
Abusia, what do you think about what this prophet also said about Chairman Wontumi's case and the prophet was in Yakopon a year children? Or they to just say Chairman Wontumi will win the court case against the government of Ghana. I hear the case between Chairman and Chubo Siako and the government of Ghana concerning a year illegal mining and doing mining in the forest reserves. So that case, Prophet Roja is saying that Chairman Wontumi is going to be jailed, say Yambon Paya. And this prophet is also saying that Yankun Yachene say Chairman Wontumi ebeko fia she entuno obeko fia kodi ne yiri aduane. So I know you guys have a lot of things to say about this. The comment section is open. Let's go back and front in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think said there's from Prophet Roja Kano? I don't know. And now what this other prophet is saying, and let's know what you think in the comment section. All right, now I want to show you some video, right? And this video has to do with the minority leader of the 9th parliament, Honorable Osanyina Fenyomaken, or say MPs na mapeke side no mo make sure somebody clean campaign, mo make sure say asem mo beke bia no e ya de a enkonkofa eye intawantawa ene ntokwamba party no mu after say ya 31st January elections na wie se na be ya wie a e betimi aka bom na party no etimi akwakoji tumi no e friend this for no in 2028 January elections a e be so 7th of December say no dey nsem no etudwa e wo eye joy news eso e ko tie nsem wo sign na fenyo market e dey tudwa ne ba ne wie a e be kire adwin e wo.
And I will continue to encourage those who are showing faces that, look, I belong to Mr. A, Mr. B. Sell the message of your candidate. For me, as a leader, I cannot.
So you haven't taken a position?
No, I cannot publicly say I am going to campaign for this person.
So you haven't endorsed it?
I don't have to because of where I sit.
But you have a horse in the race?
I'm saying that I cannot
publicly, but privately.
Can we stay there? I cannot publicly.
But privately, you do have a horse in the race.
I have a role to play in the aftermath of the January 31st. All right? I played a major role in 2023. The dynamics haven't changed much. And where I sit, I see some work that will require a lot of energy after 31st January.
Ntebusuya nipa motene nka no eye Osanyina Fenyomaken minority leader and afei nso no MP edema efutu efutu senior yes na efutu constituency osanso eye third deputy speaker edema Ecowas parliament in some of the tudwa no I think what he said very very good because it's a clean campaign and that is when we can come back and come together and become a very strong party to go against the NDC in the January elections. By Kobas Metum account and now when they say it's not going to help. It's not going to help. So I think what all cano idea yes idea pa did this and phone in 80 number 2 and more party no party nso no etimi aka ma kwaji to me in the year 2028. So Abusia, let me know what you also think about this in the comment section so that me can high Ghana and same TV oba na wa like na wa share na onya bi so sa etimi aka be. Peace, shalom, bye bye.